Hey, so where am I? I'm in a Sprinter. Yeah. Gonna be heading out here shortly on a little band run. But I just wanted to show you the Mercedes Sprinter we have here. We've got 3 bench seats, roof AC, got a stereo TV with the 4 speakers, which is kind of cool. Some track lighting. The 2 buckets up front, and then each seat has USB ports for charging, which I thought that's kind of cool and convenient. There's the towards the back of it. But yeah, gonna be going on a 2-day run in style. Here's the outside. Oh, before I forget, I'll come over on the other side and show you the console. But look how big this door is. They say some of the cargo vans, which are the same size, you can fit a forklift in these and take out packages. But it's a Mercedes 2500. I think it's a 6-pointer, and it's 6-cylinder. All tinted windows. There's your roof AC, and with the roof AC you can adjust 2 positions in the back and 1 in front. We got the back here, famous Mercedes logo, but look at the cargo space. These doors aren't heavy either. They're big, they're not heavy. But look at all the cargo space. I like it how it's cut off in the front, so you don't have to worry about anything hitting you in the head if you have to hit the brakes. There's your backup camera. But yeah, thought I'd show you this. Nice ride, handles great, brakes are great. Something that's nice about Mercedes is the handling part. I mean, it feels like a smaller van. So I think this is 23 feet. And then here's your console. Radio, navigation, even a phone. This is nice, it's your temperature. You can separate it from the back to the front. It's got warning lights, so when you're driving, it'll beep at you. And part of the mirror over here on each side will light up and let you know there's a car coming. So nice safety features. The only thing I don't like is when you're traveling so much, if you want to lay down, you have these little humps here. So not so great for the lumbar. But I do believe some of these come with all captain chairs too. And speaking of captain chairs, the captain chairs are really nice for lumbar. They're heated, and you can adjust your back to your spine. But yeah, thought I'd just give you a quick tour of the Sprinter. It's a cool little ride. Until next time, guys. Peace. Rock and roll. Bye.